Ever wondered how a cartoon hero can teach you tech? Stay tuned to see how we turn a simple drawing into a smart gadget in just 90 seconds. Hey tech explorers! Welcome back to our channel, where we blend technology with fun and cartoons. Today, we're going to learn the coolest tech tips that kids can actually follow, all presented in a funny cartoon style. Grab your pencils, and let's get started. First, let's make our living room a smart home. In our cartoon, the hero grabs a smart speaker and plugs it in. Voice commands? Easy. We'll show how to connect Wi-Fi, add a smart bulb, and create a bedtime routine. Watch the hero say, "Lights off, music on," and see the lights dim while the music starts, just like in real life. This section will walk you through each step, from downloading the app to assigning a custom nickname to your device. It's simple, visual, and super engaging for kids. Next up, we shift gears to robotics. In our cartoon, the hero pulls out a LEGO-style robot kit and assembles it while talking through the process. We'll cover the basics, choosing a microcontroller, wiring a motor, and writing a simple program. The hero will demonstrate a basic obstacle avoidance routine, and you'll see how the robot reacts in real time. By the end, you'll have a robot that can navigate a small course, just like the cartoon. Thanks for watching. If you loved these fun tech tips, hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech adventures. Drop a comment below with your favorite cartoon tech moment, and we'll feature it in our next video.